How to download your Facebook data archive. If you want to keep a copy of everything you've done on Facebook, downloading your Facebook data archive is a smart and simple way to back it all up. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Next, scroll to your information and select Download your information. From here, you can choose exactly what data you want to include, like posts, messages, photos, comments, and more. You can also set a date range, format, and media quality. Once you're ready, tap Create File at the bottom of the screen. Facebook will start preparing your archive, which may take some time depending on how much content you have. When it's ready, you will get a notification and can download the file directly to your device. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.